Jordan Sell, product specialist for custom assemblies. Today I'm here to show you concrete stub ups built here at Werner Electric Supply, ready to ship to a job site near you. These concrete stub ups are perfect for large underground or in-slab installations where you need to hit columns or walls. Bring your PVC in directly, glue it on to this stub, and then you're stubbed up out of the concrete and can move on to your next conduit. We can build these in either rigid or PVC in any size from 1/2 inch to 4 inch. These particular assemblies are built with a PVC FA, rigid 90, 12-inch rigid nipple with a rigid coupling on the end with duct tape to keep out job site debris. Big benefit by having these on site built by Werner Electric Supply is having a large quantity of these laying around in a box where you can just grab and install without having to stop and assemble all these parts in one spot. Another key benefit about using this product is having all of these parts able to be ordered off of one part number. Order from Werner with one part number, get all these assembled, shipped right to your job site. Lead time on a concrete stub up is about 3 to 5 days, or we can set up a stocking program. For the amount that you need in stock, we can build that up and they can be ready for next day delivery. For any questions about these concrete stub ups, please contact your local Werner Electric account manager.